I'm about to reveal 20 businesses that are printing money right now. Some of these you can start with literally $0, and I'm going to tell you exactly how much each one makes, how much it costs to start, and which one is perfect for you based on your situation. Number 17 changed my life. Number 3 is making teenagers millionaires. And number 20, it's so simple you'll kick yourself for not starting it yesterday. Let's go. The strategic framework. Before we dive in, here's how this list works. I've ranked these from easiest to start to most scalable, and I'm giving you 3 critical pieces of information for each. Startup cost. How much to get started, monthly income potential, realistic earnings, time to first dollar. How fast you make money. Let's start with the ones you can literally begin today with zero money. Tier 1. Start with $0. Digital gold. 1. Content creation agency. Wait, don't I need to be an influencer? No, you're not creating content for yourself. You're creating it for businesses. Here's the reality. Every business on earth needs content. Instagram posts, TikToks, YouTube videos. But most business owners hate creating it. Startup cost. $0. Use your phone. Monthly income potential. $3,000, $15,000 time to first dollar, 1 to 2 weeks. How to start. Message. 20 local businesses on Instagram offering to create 10 pieces of content for $500. Someone will say yes. Number 2. AI consulting for small businesses. This is brand new territory, and most business owners are terrified of AI but know they need it. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to know more than them, which isn't hard. Startup cost. $0 monthly income potential. $5,000, $20,000 time to first dollar, 1 week. The play. Learn ChatGPT, Claude, and basic automation tools. Offer to help businesses save 10 hours a week using AI. Charge $2,000 month per client. Number 3. Faceless YouTube Automation. This is the one making teenagers millionaires. They're not even showing their faces. Channels about facts, mysteries, finance tips, scary stories, all making $10K, $50K per month with AI voices and stock footage. Startup cost. $0, AI voice tools. Monthly income potential. $2,000, $50,000 time to first dollar, 2 to 3 months YouTube monetization. Reality check. This takes consistency. You need 5,100 videos before you see real money, but once it hits, it's passive income for life. 4. Virtual assistant services. Boring name, incredible business. Remote work exploded and executives are desperate for help. Startup cost. $0 monthly income potential. $3,000, $8,000 time to first dollar, 1 to 2 weeks. Pro tip. Specialize. Don't be a general VA, be the LinkedIn VA for coaches, or email management VA for real estate agents. You'll charge 3x more. Number 5. Digital product creation. Create it once, sell it forever. Notion templates, spreadsheets, guides, checklists. Someone is making $40,000 a month selling a $27 budget spreadsheet. Let that sink in. Startup cost. $0 monthly income potential, $1,000, $50,000 time to first dollar, 1 week. The secret. Solve one specific painful problem. Budget spreadsheet is too broad. Debt payoff calculator for millennials prints money. Here's Sector's power washing business. This is the most underrated cash machine in 2025. One guy with a $300 power washer is making $8,000 a month working 3 days a week. Businesses pay $200, $500 per wash. Startup cost, $300, $500 monthly income potential, $5,000, $15,000 time to first dollar. 48 hours. The move. Start with residential driveways. Once you have 5 to 10 testimonials, pivot to commercial buildings. That's where the real money is. 7. Mobile car detailing. People are lazy and hate car washes. Come to their house, do an incredible job, charge premium prices. Startup cost, $200, $400 supplies. Monthly income potential, $4,000, $12,000. Time to first dollar, 1 week pricing hack. Don't compete on price. Charge $150, $300 per detail and position as luxury mobile detailing. Same work, 3x the pay. Number 8. Print-on-demand store. This is e-commerce without inventory. You design, customers buy, someone else prints and ships. Startup cost, $100, $300. Shopify plus ads. Monthly income potential, $2,000, $20,000 time to first dollar, 2 to 4 weeks. What's working in 2025? Niche memes for specific communities. Engineering dad shirts or dog mom hoodies. The narrower, the better. Number 9. Meal prep service. The fitness industry is booming and people will pay ridiculous amounts for healthy, ready-to-eat meals. Startup cost, $200, $500. Ingredients, containers. Monthly income potential, $3,000, $10,000. Time to first dollar, 1 week. The system. Cook on Sundays, deliver on Mondays. Start with 10 clients at 100 week each. That's 1,000 week for 1 day of cooking. 10. Local SEO services help local businesses show up on Google. Plumbers, dentists, lawyers? They'll pay $1,000, $3,000 a month for this. Startup cost? $100, $300. Tools, training. Monthly income potential, $5,000, $20,000. Time to first dollar, 2 to 4 weeks. Why this works? Most local businesses have terrible online presence. You can learn basic SEO in 2 weeks and be better than 90% of their competition. 11. Vending machine business. 1 machine, $300, $800 month in passive income. 10 machines, $3,000, $8,000 month. Startup cost, $2,500, $3,000 per machine. Monthly income potential, $3,000, $15,000 with multiple machines. Time to first dollar, immediate. The secret, location is everything. 1 machine in a busy gym makes more than 5 machines in bad locations. 12. Social media management agency businesses know they need social media but have no clue how to do it. Enter you. Startup cost, $500, $1,000. Courses, tools. Monthly income potential, $5,000, $25,000. Time to first dollar, 2 to 3 weeks. Pricing model. Charge $1,500, $3,000 per client per month. Get 5 clients, $7,500, $15,000 month. Scale by hiring freelancers. 13. Amazon FBA. Done right. Yes, it's competitive. Yes, it's still wildly profitable if you're smart about it. Startup cost, $2,000, $5,000. Inventory. Monthly income potential, $5,000, $50,000. Time to first dollar, 6 to 8 weeks. 2025 strategy. Don't chase trending products. Find boring, consistent products with steady demand. Think replacement parts, not fidget spinners. Myra 14. Personal training, online. The gym is dead. Online coaching is where the money is now. Startup cost, $500, $1,000. Certifications, software. Monthly income potential, $5,000, $30,000. Time to first dollar, 2 to 4 weeks. The transformation, in-person trainers make 50 hour. Online coaches charge $500, $2,000 month per client and can handle 20, 50 clients. Sarkper 15. Airbnb rental arbitrage. Rent properties, furnish them, list on Airbnb. Keep the profit margin. Startup cost, $2,000, $5,000. First month rent plus furniture. Monthly income potential, $2,000, $8,000 per property. Time to first dollar, 1 month. Key insight, 1 property making $2,000 month profit isn't life-changing. 10 properties making $2,000 month, tacked $20,000 month. That's life-changing. 16. E-learning platform. Package your knowledge into an online course. Create once, sell forever. Startup cost, $1,000, $3,000. Equipment platform. Monthly income potential, $5,000, $100,000. Time to first dollar, 3 months. Reality, the first course is hard, but once you have 1,000 students, you're printing money while you sleep. Verse 17. Drop servicing agency. This changed my life. It's drop shipping, but for services instead of products. You sell services, web design, video editing, copywriting, but outsource the work to freelancers. Keep the margin. Startup cost, $500, $2,000. Website ads. Monthly income potential, $10,000, $50,000. Time to first dollar, 2 to 4 weeks. The math, client pays you $3,000 for a website. You pay a Filipino developer $800. You keep $2,200. Do this 10 times a month, $22,000 profit. Friends 18, Software as a Service, SaaS. This is the hardest on this list, but the most scalable. If you can code or hire a developer, this is the golden ticket. Startup cost, $2,000, $10,000. Development. Monthly income potential, $5,000, $500,000. Time to first dollar, 3 tiers 6 months 2025 opportunity. Micro SaaS for specific niches. Don't build project management software. Build project management for wedding photographers. 19. Content subscription, membership Patreon, Substack, Circle. People will pay for exclusive content and community. Startup cost, $500, $2,000. Setup, initial content. Monthly income potential, $3,000, $50,000. Time to first dollar, 1 to 2 months. The formula, 100 people paying 30 month, yearish 3,000 month. 1,000 people, year 30,000 month. Build the audience first, monetize later. Year 20, local service business, the unsexy winner. This is plumbing, HVAC, electrical work, roofing. Boring? Yes. Profitable? Absolutely. Startup cost? $5,000, $15,000. License, tools, insurance. Monthly income potential, $10,000, $50,000. Time to first dollar, 2 to 4 weeks. The secret nobody tells you. These businesses print money because everyone needs them. Limited competition. People don't want to do hard work. Recurring revenue. Maintenance contracts. One plumber I know makes $300,000 a year and works 4 days a week. The strategic breakdown. Now that you've seen all 20, let's get strategic about which one you should start. If you have zero money, start with number 1, content creation. Number 2, AI consulting, or number 4, virtual assistant. These are pure skill businesses. If you have $500, 6, power, washing, or number 7, mobile detailing. These are physical businesses that print cash fast. If you have 2,000 plus, number 17, drop servicing, or number 18, SaaS. These have unlimited scale potential. If you want passive income, number 3, Faceless YouTube, number 5, digital products, or number 11, vending machines. The brutal truth nobody tells you. Here's what separates people who make money from these ideas and people who just watch videos about them. Execution beats ideas. Every single business on this list has made people millionaires. Every single one has also failed for thousands of others. The difference isn't the idea. It's consistency, adaptation, and refusing to quit when it gets hard. Your action plan, what to do right now. Don't watch this video, get excited and do nothing. That's what 95% of people do. Here's your assignment. Step 1, choose one business from this list. Just one. I recommend starting with whatever requires the least startup capital. Step 2, spend 48 hours researching that specific business model. Watch 10 videos, read 5 articles, join a Reddit community. Step 3, make your first move within 7 days. Not planning to start, actually starting. Step 4, commit to 90 days. Most businesses don't work in the first 30 days. Give it 90 days minimum before deciding if it's right for you. The final reality. Check. Some of you will start one of these businesses and be making $5,000, $10,000 a month within 6 months. Some of you will try, fail, pivot to another idea, and eventually find the one that works. Some of you will close this video and never start anything. The only guarantee is that if you don't start, nothing changes. Your financial freedom is sitting somewhere in this list of 20 businesses. The question is, are you going to claim it or let someone else beat you to it? Look, I know this was a lot of information, but here's what I want you to remember. Every successful business owner you admire started exactly where you are right now, watching videos, feeling overwhelmed, wondering if they could actually do it. The difference is, they picked something and started. You now have 20 proven business models. You know how much they cost, how much they make, and how long they take. Your only job now is to pick one and take the first step. What's it going to be? If this video just gave you your next business idea, smash that like button so I know to make more content like this. Subscribe because I'm dropping new money-making strategies every single week. And here's your homework. Comment below with the business number you're starting. Just write 17, or Chakra 3, or whichever one you picked. I'll personally reply with the first 3 steps you should take. Let's build something incredible together. I'll see you in the next one. Bonus, success metrics. Track these metrics for whichever business you choose. Week 1, did you take any action? Yes, no. Week 4, did you get your first customer? Yes, no. Week 12, are you at 1,000 month revenue? Yes, no. Week 24, are you at 5,000 month revenue? Yes, no. These benchmarks tell you if you're on track or need to pivot.